Hey everybody, I'm a little late in harvesting the garlic. You're supposed to harvest it when the first couple leaves are dying. It's usually, I think, in more the June time frame. It is late July, so yes, I've been bad. But when we get these out of the ground, sometimes you can just kind of pull them straight out. It is a little dry, so I am gonna just get in there and just loosen the soil. See if they'll. No, oh, yeah, the little one. Just want to make sure you don't hit the bulbs. In there. Loosen it up. I'll have to ask the specialist too why these are kind of small, because they did come from a regular old large head of garlic. There we go. You can see this is starting to pull away a bit, which means you can't store them for as long because it's started to lose that protective coating. So this will be one we'll use up right away. Well, when you are not fully prepared, i.e. didn't have any twine and didn't have a hook set up, improvise. I just made use of this old defunct cable, because I'm pretty much all wireless now, and some old leftover wire, and got the two bundles hung up. So we'll let those dry for about 3 weeks. These need to get fully brown and shriveled. So once those are fully dry, then these can get cleaned up and basically converted over to the traditional style look of the garlic, which is cleaned up, no dirt, trimmed roots, and ready to store. Oh, not too bad a haul for just buying one head of garlic. So, stay tuned for the next video. Keep you posted. We'll see what they look like when they get cleaned up in a few weeks. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and hit that like and subscribe button. And until the next one, see you later.